Okay guys, I'm back here before you to explain you new topic today. And my topic for today is Paris Climate Conference, and one of the most important global event occurring in the history of world for climate change and for adapting renewable resources. This conference will be held at Paris from 30th of November to 12th of December. That is 11-day conference. And around 40,000 officials from all of the countries, that is 40,000 delegates from all of the countries will attend this huge global event. And among the leaders, 80 world leaders including Barack Obama, Xi Jinping, the Prime Minister of China, Barack Obama, the President of USA, David Cameron, the Prime Minister of UK, and Mr. Narendra Modi himself will attend this conference. And among the total number of countries, 204, out of which 196 will take part in this conference. So it will be a huge event of 11 days in the Paris, the capital of France. Now, the basic question is, what is the need that UN every year hold this conference and make collective effort towards adapting renewable resources and towards improving the climate? What is the reason behind it? Now, I will tell you the reason behind it. A few months back, scientists predicted that in the next century, that is up 2100, that is up to the 26th century, our temperature of the Earth, the global Earth, will increase by 2.7 degrees Celsius to 3.2 degrees Celsius. And due to this, I think the river level will rise and the glaciers will melt. So, to curb this global warming effect, all the countries meet in this conference and hold the talks and adapt climate change. Now, I want to tell you the countries behind global warming effect. As you will go by some common sense, then you will understand that the larger the economy, the more the pollution it creates. For example, if we drop the list of the most carbon emitting countries, then we will reach out as China, then USA, then India. That is, China, the largest economy in the world, causes the most carbon emission in the world, followed by USA and followed by India. And in the case of cities, Delhi tops the list, causing the highest carbon emission in the world. Now, so this is the major reason behind this conference, which held every year. Last year it held in Peru in the year 2014. This year it will be holding in Paris. Now, what are the targets they are going to set in this conference, or they are going to achieve in this conference? The basic step they are going to take is the rich countries will pay $100 billion to the poorer countries by 2020, that is 2020, for adapting climate change and for adapting renewable resources. And the future target is to reduce carbon emission by 40%, up to 40% by 2030, that is 2030, 14 years from now. The conference is still going on in Paris, and our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi and our Honorable Environment Minister Mr. Prakash Javadekar is attending the conference on behalf of India. And let's pray to God that this conference will lead us to some fruitful results and will help our younger generation and our generation to live a healthy life without pollution. Thank you.